Okay guys, last example, threshold. This should all be second nature to you guys. Threshold, figure out what I need to clean up. I think I'm just gonna clean up a little area here. Again, don't get bogged down. I'm gonna right click on my layers, hopefully soon, and gonna merge or flatten layers this time. Let's finish cleaning this up a bit though. Right click. I'm going to go to Flatten Image and show you that actually creates one big layer with everything. And now I can go to my marquee tool, rectangular marquee, select the entire thing, Command C or copy, and then paste it in my new artboard there, Command V, and then go through the exact same steps. And in fact, I'm going to color the background because when I image trace this, the background or the white area around it, the negative space, is going to actually be a shape I can color as well. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, let's pretend I am all finished. I've saved it. I've done all my designs. I've colored them all. I want to save this out as a PDF, which is what you're going to submit. Make sure that you still have your Adobe Illustrator file. We want to pick smallest file size in our presets and hit save. Hit OK. And this will save out a PDF that we can view in Blackboard. Notice that once I save it, I'm going to actually open this up directly in Google Chrome. I'm just going to drag that file, that PDF file, to Google Chrome, and there it is, already nicely done. All my labels are there. Of course, I haven't really finished, but I've done 3 of them. And this is what your 5C should look like when you're done. If you have any questions, please email me. Make sure to save your AI file, your PDF file, all the sketches that you need, and submit those to Google Drive. Submit everything to Google Drive and post your PDF to Blackboard. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care, guys. Be safe.